Hello everyone, my name is Jake and I'm going to show you how to go from hazy to amazing. Let's go. I have this bud vase on the lathe that I've been working on today and it looks pretty good right now. I have it sanded to 800, but I'm going to show you the difference. It's actually pretty hazy right now. I'm going to put some denatured alcohol on here and you will be able to see the difference between hazy and amazing. So this is not the trick here, but this is what it should look like when we're done. And you can see it's immediately drying off and becoming hazy again. And we're going to fix this, and I'm going to show you how right now. This is Yorkshire Grit by Easy Wood Tools. What it does in a nutshell is it basically sands to a higher grit with lubrication. And it's super easy to do. They also have a microfine, like if this resin was see-through at all, or if it was a clear cast, then I would go ahead and use the microfine. But today, we can't see through this, so I went to 800, and now I'm going to use the Yorkshire Grit original, the stuff, and then you just put it on here and rub it in. And you do it over the whole piece, rub it in. I tend to use a little bit of this. I'm not scared to put it on there. And then after we get this on, I will have links to the Yorkshire Grit down below, and everything I use on the lathe will also be linked below, so go check it out. Go see what's going on down there. So I pretty much have the whole thing covered now, and you can feel some abrasiveness when you're putting it on here. We're about to turn the lathe on. We're going to work it in, and magically, there's going to come a point where you don't feel the abrasive anymore, and that's when you know you're finished. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'm just going to keep rubbing it in here. I'm not in a hurry. I can feel it doing its job. This thing's going to be amazing when we're finished. That's about it. Pretty good. So what I'll do at this point is I'll get the clean part of the paper towel and I'll start working it off of there. So it'll show up on the paper towel. I'm going to do that till I get nothing left on here. Once again, we're not in a hurry. This thing won't set up or anything like that. You just have to keep working it until you don't get any. See, there's still some coming off. So I'll fold it a different way and keep on going. I think we're pretty close. I'm feeling like that's pretty good. One last time around it. Okay. Look at that. This thing is awesome, but we're not finished yet. This is abrasive paste. It's not an actual finish. So you can use microcrystalline wax, all kinds of other ways to do it. We're going to do buffing wheels. So while I'm setting up the buffing wheels, let's talk about how I made this. I did this on a show that we do every Saturday called Saturday Morning Cartoons. We make these and we give them away. I'm turning this one for someone, and I think they're going to enjoy it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Come and see the live show where we make this stuff. And now I'm probably just about done buffing, so let's see the finished product. I think she's going to be very happy with this bud vase, and I hope you're very happy with this video. Hopefully I did show you how to go from haze to amazing. Come and see us Saturdays. Leave me a comment, hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time. Y'all be good.